Excretion, renal failure and dialysis. We all know that kidneys are one of the most vital organs for our survival. They are involved in the removal of harmful nitrogenous wastes produced by our body during various metabolic processes. Though the kidneys remain active throughout life, their efficiency gradually declines with normal aging process. Infections, injury, or restricted blood flow to the kidneys are some other factors that are responsible for decline in the normal functioning of kidneys. Loss of the ability of kidneys to function properly is generally referred to as kidney failure. In case of failure of both the kidneys, immediate medical intervention is sought. There are two alternative treatments for kidney failure. First, kidney transplant from a healthy person. And second, using an artificial kidney to get rid of harmful metabolic wastes from the blood and maintain normal level of water and mineral ions in the body fluids. With the help of an artificial kidney, blood is pumped out of the body into the artificial kidney. Heparin is added to the blood to prevent it from clotting. The blood then circulates slowly through the long tubes with semi-permeable lining coiled in a tank filled with dialyzing solution. During this passage, the waste products such as ions, small molecules and water diffuse into the dialyzing fluid, thus leaving the blood purified. Molecules such as blood corpuscles, platelets and proteins being too large do not pass through the membrane. Finally, the purified blood is pumped back into the patient. This entire process of purifying blood using an artificial kidney is termed as dialysis.